Hi, I'm Nisha. Welcome back. So far, we discussed about pointers with integers and pointers with integer arrays. So today, we are going to learn about pointer and strings. So before we get into the string pointer, basically we want to talk about string. What is string? So let's see what is string. So string, what is string? String means a set of characters, or we can say a group of characters, a sequence of characters. So if you want to store in a program, so in C++, it appears in programs as a sequence of characters within a pair of double quotes. So if you want to store name or a phrase or a sentences, you want to put that in a double quotes. So some predefined functions are there. We can store it through that also. So it is stored like double quotes. Okay. So just see the example. Name Ajay. Put it in the double quotes. Phrase hello world. That is also in double quotes. Sentences. This is my book. So if it is a sentence or multiple sentences are there or a paragraph, these are called strings. If only one character with double quotes, that is also called a string. Understood? So string in C++, it appears in programs as a sequence of characters within a pair of double quotes. Okay? So just see the important points. For storing a string in C++, a variable is to be declared before it is used. That we already know. We are storing any values, if it's an integer or a character or a float, if it's a string, also we need a variable for that. So first we want to declare a variable. So a declaration statement is required for this, and it begins with a data type. So what is the data type? String. In C++, there is no string data type. So what to do? Just see the next point. There is no basic data type to represent string data. So how we can store the string? So how we can declare it? So the variable declared using char character can hold only one character. Is it? Yeah, if it's a character data type, character can hold only one letter. So if multiple characters are there, we can declare that character as an array. So array of character is the data type of string. Got it? So string is a collection of characters, that means multiple characters within a double quotes. So how we can store in our program? So we need to declare a variable. So how we can declare a variable? With data type only we can declare it. Is it? So for declaring data type, there is no string data type. So what to do? So we need to use that char data type, char character data type. But there is a problem for that character data type. Only one letter can hold in a variable. We are using character data type. So we can make that character to a array, character array. So that is the data type. Character array is the data type of holding string. Got it? How to store string? So first we need to declare a variable. So how we can declare a variable? Yeah, string variable is data type is not there. So we need to declare character array. So char character, then the array name, then in the square bracket size. So normal way, in integer array also we declare it like that only. But for the character we put int. Is it same like? So char, array name, then size in the square bracket. So that size is an integer constant value. So according to that size, we'll get the array. Okay. So see the example, character my name of 10 size. So when we put 10, we'll get automatically 10 cells. So the index number starts from 0 to 9. Okay. And the array name is my name. It's also contiguous cells. And but only one difference is there. In character, each cell carries 1 byte. It's an integer, 4 bytes in Genie. You remember? Yeah. For character, 1 byte. So we got 10 bytes for my name array. Now see, Ajay is the word or the name. I want to store it in that my name array. So how we can assign it? Yeah. Each character we want to assign in each locations. So A, Ajay, A, the letter A, I want to store it in my name of 0th position. So how I will get it? Yeah, my name of 0 is equal to A in single quotes. Single quotes. Yeah, because it's a character literal. For character, we'll put single quotes. If it's multiple characters or if it's a string, we'll use double quotes. Okay, so here we are storing each character in each cells. So character by character we want to specify it. So we need to use single quotes. So my name of 0 is equal to A in single quotes. So that A will assign to 0th position now. Okay. Now my name of 1 is equal to J. So that J will store in location 1. My name of 2 A. So the location 2 will get A. Then my name of 3 is equal to Y. So my name of Y will store in. My name of 3 will store. Y letter will store in my name of 3. So here, this is the way of assigning letters in an array. But just see, the fifth, the fourth cell onwards, there is no characters. So automatically some garbage values will assign in it. So when you are displaying this, we'll get a wrong information. After Ajay, some characters will display. So what to do? So how we can limit that till 4 only we want to display it. Till 0 to 4 we need to use that loop, is it? But how we can predict the length of the string? Because here it's Ajay, so only 4 letters are there. But in some other names, maybe 10 characters, maybe 5 or 6, is it? So it is not possible to count and display it. So what to do? Yeah. In string, there is a null character. So we can specify that null character in the end of that string. So the computer can identify here the string is ending. So when it reaches on the null character position, automatically the string will end there. So that character is called null character. That is a string ending character. So which letter will use for that null character? It is /0 / and the number 0, digit 0. Okay, see this name of fourth, index number 4 is equal to /0 / and the number 0. That also we want to put it in single quotes. 2 characters are there, but it will take it as 1 byte letter. /0. It is called null character. Okay. So when we assign this, automatically it will assign in the next location. So now the computer know here the string is ending. So no need to read other blocks. No need to move on to the other blocks. Understood? So /0 is the string ending character, string terminator here. So when you are using a string, we need to put the size according to the number of characters plus 1 byte extra for that /0. Okay, so that is very important when you are declaring an array, string or character array, we need to specify the size, the number of characters plus 1 byte for that null character. Got it? Yeah. This is the way of storing the string after declaring. Okay. Now next we can see how we can initialize the value in an array, character array. So string initialization. For string initialization, see the 3 syntaxes are there, different styles we can use it. Okay, so the first syntax is character, array name, then the size in square bracket equal to brace open the character 1, 2, 3 according to the length of the character. Each character we want to put it in single quotes and by putting comma for the separator. And at last we want to add /0 as the ending character, brace close, semicolon. Same like integer, for collection of values, Initialization, integer array initialization also we put it in the same like, but only the difference is single quotes for character is must. Okay, so character, array name, then size in square bracket equal to, then brace open character 1 comma character 2 comma character 3 like that, and the last letter will be /0. That also we want to put it when you are using this method. Okay, now see the example here. Character my name of 10 size. So 10 size we'll get it, and the letters are A, comma J, comma A, comma Y, and the ending letter is /0. So this is the way of initialization, letter by putting comma comma. Okay, so when we enter this after the execution of this statement, we'll get it like this. See, array name is my name, and each letter will assign 0, 1, 2, 3 accordingly. Then the last letter is /0. Got it? So this is the one method of initialization. Now see the second method. Character, array name, then in the square bracket size equal to, then in double quotes directly we can put the string. See, character, array name, then the size in square bracket equal to string in double quotes. Okay, no need of putting the brace open and close and the each letter. See, directly we can put it in the double quotes. So that is the another method. So here we didn't specify that /0 letter. So it will automatically assign in that block. Understood? So this is the easiest way of initialization. Just see this. Character str of 10. Str is the array name. 10 is the size. Equal to welcome. I put it in the double quotes. So this is the word we are going to assign in str. Now see this memory allocation. See, each letter is assigned in each blocks. Then the last letter is automatically /0. Clear? So no need to specify where at the declaration time, at the initialization time. It automatically comes. Got it? Now see the third syntax. Character, array name, empty square bracket. There is no size here. We didn't put any size. Then equal to double quote string. So when you are using empty space, it's only possible with at the initialization time. We are not specifying the size, means here according to the number of characters in the double quotes plus 1 byte extra for the /0 will occupy. That's much size we will get it automatically. Okay, see the example here. Character str square bracket empty square bracket equal to hello space world, then brace close semicolon. Now see this memory allocation. str is the array name. 0 to, see 11 cells we got. How? HELLO. After that one space is there. For that space also 1 byte occupied. See? Then world, WORLD. Then the last character is /0. So 11 bytes, 12 bytes we got. 0 to 11 blocks we got. Got it? So according to the given string, number of characters plus 1 byte will automatically created for this str. But the second and the first one we put the size directly. Okay, so that much size will be created at the execution time, and according to the string it will occupy that space. Clear? So this is the way of string initialization. Now we can move on to how to input and output the string. Just say this, input output operations on string. Same like cin and cout are the statements using for input and output. But it's a string. But see the syntax here for input, cin array name directly without using the index number. That is the speciality of string. Just we can specify the array name without specifying the index number. It will act like a variable. Automatically that string will access by cin statement. Okay, see, but one problem is there. Only one data item can be input using this statement. One data means one word only can access by the cin statement. So a white space is treated as a separator of data. So white space, when we entered a name with a space means that space will treat it as a separator. Only one word will assign to that array. Okay, then cout array name, cout redirection and array name. We'll get what we stored in that memory, that whole string will display through that cout statement without putting in text number. Got it? Now see the example here. Hash include IOStream using namespace std int main. The program begins here. Character my name of 20 size. So 20 blocks created at the compilation time. Cout enter your name. So enter your name is the prompt given for entering the name. Cin my name. See, cin my name. So the cursor is waiting there to enter the name by the user. So after entering the name and pressing the enter key, the statement, next statement will execute. That is cout hello, then my name. So we'll get a hello, then one space is there, then my name. So what is stored in the my name, that will display there. Okay. Now just see the output screen here. Enter your name. We got the prompt. And here I entered Maya space Mohan. So this is the name of a student. So Maya space Mohan I entered. Then I press the enter key here. See the display? Hello space Maya only. There is no Mohan here. Why? Because a white space is treated as a separator of data. Means cin can't access that space. Okay, that is the problem of cin statement. The white space after Maya is treated as the delimiter there. Clear? Now say this, memory allocation. My name is the array name and the word MAYA and next to that /0 will automatically assigned. Got it? So this is the way of input-output operations. That means cin and cout. You all are familiar with cin and cout. So but string, there is an advantage, only the array name is needed. Clear? Okay. Now see this input-output functions on strings. So input-output functions. So there are predefined functions to overcome that cin problem. For cin, what is the problem in cin? The space can't access. But how to overcome that? Yeah, we can use this gets and puts functions. See, for input gets function. Okay, a console input function used to accept a string. Console input function. Okay, its function is a console input function used to accept a string. Then puts is a console output function named to output a string. Okay, so through gets we can access the string through keyboard and through puts we will get the string on the monitor. But if you are using this gets or puts, we need to add a header file in the program. So what is the header file? Hash include cstdio. That is the header file name. CST standard input output. That is the header file name. So we need to include in that program. Now see the syntax for how to use that gets. Gets in the bracket character array name. Character array name. So what is the array name we given for that character array? That we want to specify there. Because gets is using only for string. We can't input integers by using gets. It's only for string. Okay, so character array name only we can specify. Then puts string data. For puts bracket string data, we can use array name or we can use directly the string by putting double quotes. So both are possible. Clear? Now see this example. Hash include IOStream, hash include cstdio. So both are used here. Here IOStream is using for cin and cout. Maybe cin or cout statement is there. CSTD also I used because maybe gets or puts are there. Okay. Then using namespace STD, int main, then reserve character my name of 20 size. Yeah, we got the 20 size memory allocation. Then see out, enter your name. The prompt given as enter your name gets my name in bracket. So this is the way of input. Okay. So gets is the function name, then in the bracket array name directly. Bracket close, semicolon. Then puts bracket open my name, semicolon. So this is for input and this is for display. For using this gets and puts, we need to include the cstdio. Then why we used iostream? Here one cout statement is there for enter your name prompt. Okay, so that's why we used iostream. Got it? So now the output screen is enter your name, Maya space Mohan. So puts my name. So we got Maya space Mohan itself. Got it? So the scene, the problem of scene is overcome by gets function. Understood? So these are the functions using on strings. These are the console functions. So some stream functions also is there in the IOStream functions. Okay, so that is getLine and write. This here. So there are some stream functions. Stream functions means inside that IOStream header file itself, there are some functions for accepting a string and displaying the string with spaces. Okay, so the first is just see the example here, syntax here. Input, for input, getLine is the function. GetLine. It's a stream function. Stream means IOStream. The header file is IOStream itself. IOStream function used to accept a string. Then output, write function. It's also a stream function named to output the string data on the monitor. Okay. Now see the syntax. cin.getLine. See cin, the same word. cin.getLine. It's a function. Then in bracket, character array name, comma, size, comma, character. It's an optional. Okay, so we can set a delimiter by size or a character. According to this, which one is first? If the sizes came first, according to that, we can enter the data. If we put a dot as a character, so when we put at the input time, when we put the dot till that, the characters will assign in that array. So this character is an optional one. Okay, so cin.getLine, array name, and the maximum size we can put it in the bracket. And the character also. We can set a delimiter as a character. Okay, then cout.write. For cout.write, same like cout statement, but see the syntax, it's a function, array name, comma, size we want to put it. So according to the size, we'll get to the values, the elements, what we stored in that array. Just see the example here, hash include IOStream. See, there is no stdio function. IOStream itself we used here. Okay, character my name of 20 size. Then cout enter your name, the prompt given as enter your name. cin.getLine, my name comma 20 size I put there. Okay, I didn't use any character there. So it's an optional one. If you want to specify it, we can use it. Okay, so cin.getLine, my name comma 20 size. So cout.write, same like my name comma 20 size. So what we stored in that my name, we will get it through cout.write on the monitor. Just see the output screen. Enter your name, Maya space Mohan. We got the output as Maya space Mohan itself. So two methods are there, two functions are there. If only one word, we can use directly cin statement. But if there are multiple words, so we can use gets function, it's a console function, or getLine function for input, that one. Okay, then same like for display, cout is there, same like write function is there, it's a stream function, and one console function also is there, that is puts. Okay, so these are the basic concept of string. Okay, I hope you all got the idea of string now. Now in the next session, we can learn about how to use the pointers on strings. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye. Thank you all.